Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to create backup of a Discord server. So open the server and click on server name, server settings, click on server template and enter here template title, and you can add description here, then click generate template and click on preview template to see your backup template outlook here, and click on create. And if I cross this, so as you can see I have successfully created a backup of this server. So that's how we can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.